The Batavia story is an extraordinary story. This mutiny and shipwreck in 1629 led to the deaths of many people, many of whom were murdered, many who died naturally. So our discoveries around finding these burials allows us to tell and understand the events much better than perhaps previously. So what we have right now is the evidence of the burials, so how they were buried, what they were buried with. We've brought everything back here to UWA. The forensic archaeologists are looking at it and telling stories about who they were, trying to figure out as much as we can from them. But equally we have isotopic analysis, DNA analysis happening in Holland, and the big picture is one of trying to figure out their life history before they were on board the Batavia, what happened to them after the shipwreck, and bring it into a more complete story of those events. A big part of the project was working at UWA with a team of remote sensing specialists using a whole range of techniques to look at the island and try to figure out where we were best positioned to locate archaeological remains of the Batavia. After the mutiny and after the Pearl site returned to Batavia, everything was removed off the island. So the archaeology isn't on the surface, it's underground, and so we've had to use remote sensing to try to figure out where we're most likely to find sites, and we've been very fortunate in discovering the amazing sites that we have over the last 3 years. We work very closely with the Department of Maritime Archaeology at the WA Museum, who are responsible for the site, but equally we have partners from Amsterdam, University of Amsterdam, the Dutch government, different agencies around Australia, fisheries, so it's very much a collaborative effort with a whole bunch of different scientists and archaeologists on board.